Here we have the Lance 815 truck camper. This will fit a long bed or a short bed pickup truck. It is also one of the only truck campers I know of that is light enough to fit inside of a half-ton pickup truck. Most of them you'll need a 3/4 or a 1-ton, but I carry this with my short bed Toyota Tundra, and it hardly even sags the back at all. There's a custom option here on the roof. It has the one-piece aluminum roof, much better than the rubber, no leaks, much more durable. You just go around the outside first. I gotta get down. There's a couple very small imperfections I'm gonna point out here. This side is good. On the back here, get us just behind the ladder here. There was a small little tear that's been repaired. Strictly cosmetic. I'm really zooming in on it so you can even see it, but not noticeable at all. Let's see. Then on this side, there's another very small. You can see it right there where it's not penetrated or anything. It's more like a scuff mark, really, where I hit something. I brushed up against a sign once. Then the rest of this side is good. As you can see, you have the rollout awning. That's a very nice feature. Right behind there is the refrigerator. This might be locked. Yeah, I got that locked. But inside here is a new high-end deep cell battery. That's new within the last year or so. Moving along to the inside, here's the dinette area, which folds down to a full-size bed. We got some storage under here. This is our designated spot for shoes when we go on trips. All the shoes and sandals go there. Easy access. Moving along to the bathroom. This is a wet bath. You know, the shower, it's winterized right now. I haven't used it yet this season. There's the shower, the sink, toilet. There's a vent up there. We have this is a new refrigerator. I was having some problems with the old one, so I just replaced it. I figured it was 10 years old, so I replaced it. This one works great. Brand new. Those are about $1,000 to replace, so that's a high-ticket item. Really the most expensive thing you would really ever have to replace inside of a camper. Queen-size bed. There's the sink, 2-burner stove. We got some cabinets up here. It's where we keep all of our coffee percolator, and got some pots and pans, solo cups, coffee, stuff like that. Now up here, this is kind of a nice feature. This storage unit here, you can leave it up and use it as storage, or you can just take these clips out here, and the whole unit folds down. And there's a very thin piece of wood here that slides over, and this is rated for up to 75 pounds. So, you know, you got a young child, I don't know, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years old, could sleep up there just like in any other bunk bed. Like I said, it's rated for 75 pounds. Then this is the roof-mounted air conditioning unit. Works great. Ice cold. Now here's a custom feature that I installed. This is a high-end pure sine wave power inverter. Now this connects up to the battery and it turns battery power into regular power like you would plug into in your house. So I've got this hooked up directly into the battery in the back there with those cables. And the regular power comes out here, and I have it running over to a plug right here, you can see. And so even without the camper plugged into, plugged into commercial power, I always have electricity in here that I can use up to 1500 watts. We'll use it at night to plug the fan in. We'll use it for our cell phones. My wife uses it for the hair dryer. So basically anything up to 1500 watts, it's good for. So that's pretty much it. I think I went over everything.